Two cars are standing side by side. One has a petrol engine and the other has a diesel engine. Both are driven every day, both are maintained properly, and both are used for years. But after 300,000 kilometers, one engine is still running strong while the other may already be showing signs of age. So the real question is, why do diesel engines often last longer than petrol engines? Most people think the answer is simply the type of fuel being used, but that's only part of the story. Engine life depends on many factors, including heat, pressure, engine speed, build quality, driving habits, maintenance, and even the way the vehicle is used. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which engine tends to last longer, why it happens, and which one is actually the better choice for you. Now let's start with the short answer. In most cases, diesel engines do last longer than petrol engines. They are usually built stronger because they operate under much higher compression. Their engine blocks, pistons, crankshafts, and connecting rods are designed to handle greater stress. On top of that, diesel engines run at lower RPM, which means they often experience less wear over time. But that doesn't mean every diesel engine is automatically better than every petrol engine. A poorly maintained diesel engine can fail much sooner than a well-maintained petrol engine. So yes, diesel engines often last longer, but the reasons behind it are far more interesting than most people realize. To understand why, we first need to look at how these engines actually work. A petrol engine uses a spark plug to ignite a mixture of air and fuel. A diesel engine works differently. Instead of using a spark plug, it compresses air until it becomes extremely hot. Diesel fuel is then injected into that hot air, causing it to ignite naturally. Petrol engines are generally smoother and quieter. They can rev much higher and are commonly found in smaller cars and performance vehicles. Diesel engines, on the other hand, produce more torque, run at lower RPM, and are often used in trucks, buses, SUVs, commercial vehicles, and vehicles designed for long-distance travel. Because diesel engines rely on extremely high compression, they must be built to withstand enormous pressure inside the cylinders. And that stronger construction is one of the biggest reasons they often survive longer. Think of it this way. Imagine two people training every day. One is built to lift heavy weights, while the other is trained for speed and agility. The weightlifter may move slower, but the body is designed to handle much more stress. Diesel engines are like that weightlifter. Their higher compression ratios require stronger engine blocks, heavier crankshafts, stronger pistons, stronger connecting rods, and more durable cylinder heads. Everything is built to take punishment over a very long period of time, but stronger parts are only part of the story. The next reason may be even more important. It all comes down to RPM. RPM stands for revolutions per minute, or how many times the engine rotates every minute. Petrol engines generally run at higher RPM than diesel engines. Higher RPM means more movement, more friction, and eventually more wear. A petrol engine may frequently operate between 3,000 and 5,000 RPM during hard driving. A diesel engine can often produce useful power between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM. That difference matters. The slower an engine rotates over its lifetime, the fewer total cycles its internal components have to complete. Fewer cycles mean less friction. Less friction means less wear. Simply put, if an engine can do the same job while moving fewer times, it will often last longer. Of course, that doesn't mean you should constantly drive at very low RPM in a high gear. That can put extra strain on the engine, especially in modern diesel vehicles. There's another interesting factor many people don't think about. Diesel fuel itself is naturally oilier than petrol. Because of this, it can provide some additional lubrication to certain fuel system components, especially in older diesel engines. Petrol burns cleanly and efficiently, but it doesn't have the same lubricating characteristics. However, modern diesel engines are not maintenance-free. In fact, many of them use sophisticated high-pressure fuel injection systems that require clean fuel and proper servicing. Poor quality diesel, dirty filters, or water contamination can quickly damage expensive components, so while diesel fuel can contribute to durability in some ways. Modern diesel engines also have weaknesses that many drivers overlook. Another reason diesel engines often last longer is that many of them are designed for heavy-duty work from the beginning. Think about the vehicles that commonly use diesel engines. Trucks, buses, delivery vans, tractors, and long-distance transport vehicles all rely heavily on diesel power. These machines are expected to work long hours, carry heavy loads, and travel huge distances year after year. Because of that, manufacturers often engineer diesel engines with longevity as a top priority. A delivery truck might spend the entire day on the road every day. A petrol-powered family car may only be used for short trips around town. That difference in intended use influences how the engines are designed. Now, before anyone says diesel is always better, there's an important point to understand. There are situations where petrol engines can actually outlast diesel engines. Modern diesel vehicles often include turbochargers, eager valves, DPF filters, high-pressure injectors, and complex emission systems. These components work well when the vehicle is driven properly, especially on longer journeys. But if a diesel vehicle spends most of its life doing short city trips with constant stop-and-go driving, those systems can develop problems. Petrol engines are often simpler. They are usually cheaper to repair and generally handle short journeys better. A simple petrol engine that receives regular oil changes and basic maintenance can easily provide many years of reliable service. In other words, a diesel engine may be built stronger, but a petrol engine may survive better when used in the wrong driving conditions. And this brings us to the most important factor of all: maintenance. The longest lasting engine isn't always petrol or diesel. It's usually the engine that is maintained correctly. Regular oil changes, the correct oil grade, clean air filters, clean fuel filters, proper cooling system care, good quality fuel, and timely servicing all have a massive impact on engine life. Small problems that are fixed early rarely become expensive failures later. Diesel engines require clean injectors, fuel filter replacements, and occasional longer drives to keep emission systems healthy. Petrol engines need healthy spark plugs, ignition components, cooling system maintenance, and regular oil changes. And here's the truth many people don't want to hear. A well-maintained petrol engine can outperform a neglected diesel engine every single time. When it comes to real-world lifespan, diesel engines often have the advantage. Many properly maintained diesel engines reach 300,000 kilometers, 500,000 kilometers, or even more. Petrol engines can also achieve impressive longevity. Many quality petrol engines comfortably reach 200,000 to 300,000 kilometers and sometimes much more. But no number is guaranteed. Engine life depends on the manufacturer, engine design, driving habits, maintenance quality, climate, fuel quality, and how heavily the vehicle is used. For long-distance travel and heavy workloads, diesel usually holds the advantage. For city driving, lower yearly mileage, and lower maintenance costs, petrol is often the smarter option. So which engine should you choose? If you regularly drive long distances, spend a lot of time on highways, carry heavy loads, want strong torque, and value fuel efficiency on long trips, a diesel engine may be the better choice. If most of your driving happens in the city, your trips are short, you prefer quieter operation, lower repair costs, and simpler ownership, a petrol engine may suit you better. And remember this: don't choose diesel simply because someone told you it lasts longer. Choose the engine that matches the way you actually drive. So, after everything we've discussed, which engine lasts longer? In general, diesel engines tend to last longer because they are built stronger, operate at lower RPM, generate power with less engine speed, and are designed for demanding workloads. But the real winner always depends on maintenance and usage. A diesel engine used only for short city trips can develop costly problems. A well-maintained petrol engine can deliver reliable performance for many years. Diesel wins when it comes to strength and long-distance durability. Petrol wins when it comes to simplicity, smoothness, and everyday city driving. If you found this explanation helpful, subscribe for more simple car knowledge and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer petrol or diesel, and why?